This is a 2016 2LT Z51 Coupe with a Callaway SC627 package that has been added to it, along with some other goodies. Hello everybody, once again, my name is Robert. This is Corvette World Dallas, and I have an extremely unique C7 Stingray to talk about tonight. This is a 2016 2LT Z51 Coupe with a Callaway SC627 package that has been added to it, along with some other goodies. All right, so let's start up front here, and let's break this down. So you can see, of course, it's an Arctic White with an adrenaline red interior car. And you look at the hood, you can see we've got a torch red inlet here. And then you got this big honking thing sticking out of the hood. This is a Callaway Supercharger, 2.3 liter, sticking out of the hood because that's part of the package, and it bumps the horsepower from 460 to 627 horsepower. It was $18,000 back in the day when it was first installed. And nothing but Callaway has touched this car. It has not been changed over the years, so it's still in its Callaway stock configuration. Of course, breaking down the regular stuff, of course, we got our carbon flash grille with their front curve view cameras. It does have the optional plastic front splitter installed. We have our beautiful black 9-spoke Callaway wheels here. They come in different finishes. This was obviously ordered in black from Callaway with a custom Jake logo with carbon fiber center cap. We, of course, have our standard Z51 J55 Brembo brakes here with slotted rotors. We have some carbon flash large ACS composite mudguards installed front and rear. We have our carbon flash mirror and spoiler package. We also have the visible carbon fiber removable target top as well. Then at the bottom here, if you get the package, you have the options to get the logoing, and of course, this was added by Callaway. It was optional to have that. Some people had it for the flare, some didn't. I think it looks pretty good on the white car, but again, it's vinyl, can be easily removed if not desired. The windows are tinted. As you can see, if that's a problem in your state, they can also be removed. And then when you come to the back, you can see we got, of course, the carbon flash blade spoiler here. We have the Corvette Racing Jake logo decal over the cross flags, just like the actual decal used by the racing team. And instead of Corvette, we have the Callaway carbon flash scroll. You also may note there's a little sensor here. That's for the built-in radar detector, which I will get to more once we get inside. And it's got a carbon fiber appearance look over the rear bumper instead of the carbon flash. But of course, it has the factory NPP multi-mode exhaust. Conventional C7 interior, although you may notice this from behind here. You see it's got the Callaway 40th anniversary from 2016 sticker on it. This is actually a Coupe waterfall replica, and it's a storage compartment. And when we get to the other side, you'll see it actually looks like the convertible waterfall. So it's pretty cool. It sits over the hump here and it's in place. But the rest of the cargo space is pretty much stock, minus it does have a set of custom deck lid struts here, and you may notice it has the BBV logo on it. Now, for the record, BBV is a Corvette club here in the Dallas Metroplex called Bad Boy Vets. So one of the previous owners of this car was a member of that club. That's why they're there. Obviously, you can put stock struts back on, but I think the white looks good for it, so we're going to sell it as it sits. Okay, coming to the interior, and I got some more explaining to do. So this is a 2LT Z51, but you may notice this leather is very smooth, and once we pan to the inside, you'll see a lot more red. So one of the previous owners, when he did the Callaway package, they also had the entire interior converted to the 3LT Napa leather. You still have the cloth pillar and panel, but you have the 3LT Napa leather throughout, and it's in excellent shape. We also got carbon fiber appearance accenting throughout on the dash, border lining the seat controls and the door sills, and of course on the steering wheel, along with the steering wheel being custom leather red wrapped instead of black. And then you get to the shifter, you'll see it also wrapped in red with some faux carbon fiber. and the carbon fiber appearance in the center console as well. So a lot of money was spent on the interior. And then to that waterfall, like I mentioned, looks like the convertible, but it will open up and you got a storage space in that middle part. And then of course we got our standard GT seat here, and it has heated ventilated option and lumbar side bolster controls. Then we got the custom Lloyd's Callaway embroidered floor mats. Okay, so coming to the interior, I wanted to turn this on to demonstrate. An Escort 9000 series radar max was installed in this 360. As you can see, it displays up here, which is really nice. And I have the receipt of the installation. It was done by a local place here in Texas. It was $5,000 install. This was all custom. You got 360 radar, and the controls for it are in the center console. They got controls in the inside here. It's got like a little control panel, and there's a light inside the vent here that will change color if radar is detected, aside from the notifications that you get up here in the screen. Again, $5,000 built-in radar system, and the instructions for it is in the glove box as well, so you're not going into it blind. All right, coming to our gorgeous engine bay here. As you can see, it's been customized out on top of the Callaway SC627, but we'll start off with that. So again, Callaway does a 2.3 liter supercharger on here, bumping the horsepower from 460 to 627. But what's interesting is they accomplished this with the supercharger and their performance add-ons, but you still have fully stock factory OEM exhaust. So it's not obnoxious, and believe it or not, its power band is actually very reasonable on the low end, so you can daily drive it. It's a very friendly car. Callaway did an excellent job. I've had several of these over the years, and every time we do it, it's an incredible experience. So the low end, it feels like a base Stingray. You get on a little bit, and then it feels like a Z06. It's incredible. And of course, you have all the custom accenting, as you can see, including the 40th anniversary logo once again for Callaway, and some of the Bad Boy Vets logoing. Again, this is all accenting, you know, so some of these are just covers, so they can be taken off if not desired, but I would leave them. It goes kind of with the red and white theme you got of the car. Okay, so with it, I will note this is a clean Carfax car. And of course, we have the breakdown of the Callaway SC627 package and everything that's included with it, as well as the official certificate with the vehicle information. The only thing that's blotted out is the original owner's name, obviously for privacy purposes. We also have the original receipt from Eararc Audio. So you can see 5200 1764 to install this radar detector system. So a lot of money spent on that. And we also have a kind of a half laminated cut original window sticker copy as well on the car. I will note, while we're here, you may notice the carbon fiber accenting on the windshield wipers too. Man, they really went all out on this car. It's 16 with 26,600 miles on it. We got it priced at $54,995. So break it down. 2LT Z51 with mag ride. It's white with red, and it's got an $18,000 Callaway SC627 package on it, and it has a $5,200 radar system built on it. I mean, what a deal this is. If you are interested in this incredible supercar or any other Corvettes in my inventory, see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment below. Tell me, what do you think of the Callaway SC627 like this specimen here? Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking time to watch this, and I will see you on the next video.